Hello, my name is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Audi approved used vehicle. So the vehicle featured today is this approved used Audi A1 Sportback S-Line 25 TFSI with the 5-speed manual transmission. Now this particular example is also finished in the optional Mythos black metallic, which is really give it that standout appearance. Now as we look towards the key features, and with this being the S-Line trim level, it does mean the vehicle benefits from the additional S-Line sport styling, such as the front bumper, rear diffuser and side skirts to complement, and also the chrome Audi badging. Moving towards the front now, we do find these fantastic LED headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Moving down towards the alloys now, we find these fantastic 17-inch 5 twin-spoke design alloys finished in the satin silver. They do really complement the black paint. Now moving into the rear boot space of the A1 Sportback, where we find up to 335 litres of storage space, which is a large amount for a smaller vehicle of this size, and this can easily accommodate 2 smaller carry-on cases and a few additional bags. Moving into the rear seats now, we find a half-leather interior with the additional cloth sensors. There is also Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row. Aluminium trims carry on into the rear of the cabin, but there's also more than enough leg space to accommodate 2 occupants on the outer seats. Moving into the front now, we find a very well designed and luxurious cabin with a large amount of high quality plush materials such as leather, cloth and aluminium. With this being the S-Line model, it does mean you get these sporty seats which are of a sports design with the light grey stripes and also the S logo. Above now we find a virtual cockpit which is featured with 2 digital rev counters. You can also access your telephone connectivity, radio stations and vehicle information. Now towards the centre of the dashboard we find this fantastic MMI touchscreen display which does allow access to radio, media, telephone, your vehicle settings and also the phone apps, which does allow connectivity to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And below this we find the equally fantastic climate control which is very easily adjustable. So this vehicle does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and a minimum of 12 months of roadside assistance. For more information or to book a test drive, do give us a call now on 01785 899 417.